Today, I'm going to show you how to make an inbound AI voice agent using n8n and VAPI. And I'm going to walk you through all the steps on how to make it, how it works, and how to use it. And the tools we're going to be using today are n8n and VAPI. In my group, that's for sale for $1 right now. And this will speed up the process tremendously. It's the first link in the description down below. But guys, let's get started. So to start off, go to n8n. And once you're inside of n8n, we're going to have to import a workflow into here. So to do so, head over to my $1 group, or you can just manually do this yourself. And once you're inside of my group, look on how to make an AI voice agent on VAPI full workflow. We're just going to download these files right here. So download the n8n how to make AI voice agent file. And that is the workflow for n8n. We're also going to download the VAPI system prompt as well right here. We don't need to download the knowledge base. I mean, you can if you want. But in this tutorial, I'm not going to show how to use the knowledge base because it was right on the system prompt. But after you download those files, head back to n8n, and then in the top right, press the three dots right here. And then press import from file. And we're going to import this n8n workflow. It should be right here, n8n how to make AI voice agent. And after you import it, we're going to have to connect all the APIs now. So we have an OpenAI chat model API, and we also have a Google Calendar API that we're going to have to connect as well. But first, we'll start off with the OpenAI chat model API. So to do so, go to platform.openai.com, and then on the left side of your screen, search for the billing section. And once we're in here, we're going to have to add around $5 or so, because every few times you actually call the AI voice agent, it's going to spend around 1 cent. And I've been using this for weeks on weeks, and it's literally only spent like 29 cents, which is absolutely great. So just press add a credit balance, and I'd probably say add around $5 to $10. And after you do that, head over to the API key section, and then in the top right, press create new secret key. And after you create the key, you can honestly name it whatever you want, and then select a project right here, just like so, and then press create secret key, and then copy your secret key. And guys, do not share the secret key with anyone, because if they get a hold of this key, they'll literally be able to spend all of your credits, which should not be good at all. So just copy that key and head back to n8n, and then double click on this OpenAI chat model right here, and then click up here and press create new credentials, and then paste in the API key right here and press save. And after you saved it, it should be connected now, but now we're gonna have to connect the Google Calendar API as well. So to do so, double click on this one right here, and then click up here and press create new credentials, press sign in with Google right here, and then scroll down and then select whatever account you actually want to book these appointments to. And if you're doing this for a client, by the way, they're gonna have to share the Google Calendar to the Gmail, and I'm gonna show you what to do after that. But for right now, select the account that you want. So I'll select this one, then press select all right here, and then scroll down and press continue. And after you press continue, go down here where it says calendar from list, and this is actually where it's gonna book the appointments to. So if your client shares their email with you, it should appear like right here after you accept it. Then you would want to select the email that you actually want to book them to. So I would click flight affected, because that's the calendar I'm going to use, and then double click on this one as well. Make sure your account's selected, and make sure the from list is the exact same as well. And now guys, we're almost done setting up the n8n, but now head over to the webhook section, and then double click on the webhook just like so. And now you can change this path to whatever you want. I'm just going to call it inbound, and then after that, go up here and press production URL. And we're going to come back to this later, but for now, go over to the VAPI tab, and now that we're in VAPI, press create assistant right up here, and then you can name this whatever you want as well. And then select blank template, and then press create assistant. And after you create the assistant, scroll on down until you see the first message. And then for the first message, you're going to want to put it something like this. It says, hello, this is Amy from Comfort Air Heating and Cooling. How can I help you today? And that's going to be the first message. When we actually call it up, it's going to say that exact same phrase. And now after that, we're going to have to adjust the system prompt. So to do so, go to the files you just downloaded, then press on the VAPI system prompt, and then just copy it. And then go down here, just Control V, and just paste it. And then press publish. And after you press publish, we're going to have to create tools now for this to actually work. So go over here to the tool section, and then go up here and press create tool, and then custom tool. And after that, we're going to name this tool the record action tool, just like so, and then press save right up here. And then for the description, head over to my group, and then go to the VAPI tool prompt section. And now that we're in the section, scroll on down until you see the record action tool, and then just copy this description just like so, and head back to VAPI and then paste it in. And then scroll down here and press add property. And for the property name, let's see, it's going to be called action. So copy action and just paste it right here. Then down here, press required as well. Then for the description, just copy what to do right here, and then just paste it in right there, and then press apply and press save up here. And guys, for the server setting URL, we're gonna have to head back to n8n, then copy this webhook right here with the production URL selected, just like so. Just paste it right there and press save. And honestly, we're almost done setting up our AI voice agent. But now go over here and click on tools and select the tool just like so, and then press publish right up here in the top right. And now we're gonna head over to the voice section, and after we go to voice, you can honestly change this voice to whatever you want. I kind of have it set as a girl right now named Amy, so I'm not gonna use a boy voice. I'm actually gonna use a girl voice, so I'll just use Kylie right here, and then press publish just like so. And now honestly, we're almost done, but I forgot two important things. For the model right here, as we see right now, it costs 11 cents a minute, and the latency is 1050, so that's pretty bad, not gonna lie. But go over here and then select the GPT-4o mini cluster model, and once we press publish, you'll see it goes down to 9 cents a minute and also 840 milliseconds delay, which is absolutely amazing. Not only is it cheaper, but it's faster as well. Just a win-win scenario. And after that, guys, for the final step, head over to VAPI n8n once again, and then in the top right, press activate right here, and the workflow should be activated and working now. And now if we call it up on our phone, it should actually work and answer all of our questions. So guys, I'm going to call her right now on my phone and let's talk to it.
Hello, this is Amy from Comore Air Heating and Cooling. How can I help you today?
Hey Amy, I need an AC repair.
Got it. Can you please let me know your preferred date and time for the AC repair?
Yeah, can we do the day after tomorrow at 10 o'clock a.m.?
Can I have your full name?
Jerry Smith.
Thank you, Jerry. Next, could I have your phone number?
Yes, 443-926-1833.
Now, could you please provide me with your email address?
Yes, jerrysmith@gmail.com.
Could you also provide your address for the service?
Yes, 606 Amos Road.
Thank you, Jerry. Just to confirm, your address is 606 Amos Road. I now have all the details. Shall I go ahead and finalize your appointment?
Yep, finalize it. And guys, if we go to the Google Calendar, as you see right here in the bottom left on the 19th, which is the day after tomorrow because today is the 17th, we have an appointment for 10 o'clock a.m. It's the AC repair with all of our information right here. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what videos you want to see me make next. Don't forget to press this video on the screen right now, and I'll see you later. Peace out.